Welcome to Petrolheads London and a modification I've been talking about to my bike for a long time. So it's not done right now, but what I want to play to you or let you hear is the totally stock exhaust, and it's one of the biggest bugbears I have with this bike is that really ugly cat and what it does to the noise. It's like the world's biggest dB killer, and it's got a nice tune to it. It's just been massively muted. So I've bought the Akrapovic full titanium headers, and I'm going to put them on and I want to see what you guys think. So let's have a quick listen to this, and next time you see this bike it's going to have the full titanium pipes on there. So, a few pops and bangs, but nothing like it should be, and definitely quieter than the old version. So, I've got several hours of work ahead of me to go and sort this out. Let's get on with this. Let's do this thing. So, I'm back where we started several weeks ago, and well, not 4 hours to put it on, considerably more. This was way harder than I ever expected. Very ugly car. But the performance this pipe gives is beautiful. The noise is just a cacophony of sound. The pops and the cracks off it are amazing. I'm going to do another video about actually riding with it and what it's done to the performance, but 4 hours, this takes longer. To get all those 4 pipes in is actually quite difficult. Let's have a little look at it, and let's more importantly have a listen to it. I've got an audience. Hopefully that just gives you a little bit of a taster of what it sounds like. I'm going to get it out on the road so you get a real idea of the reverbs. These guys are still watching me. Anyway, as I said, the install wasn't as easy as possible. I've got a few bits of feedback about actually whether it's changed the performance for the good or the better. It definitely looks a damn sight better. It sounds amazing. There is definitely some performance changes, some good, some bad, so I will talk about that on a separate video. That leaves me to say thank you for watching Petrolheads London. Continue to follow me on this journey. Please remember to like, subscribe and comments below. Cheers.